Just like this.
That's so weird. I do that when I play volley. I'm like this, cause that way you can like move. So it's not.
I love soccer. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tango.
Dude, be careful.
Do you tango in Chile?
No. Brasil es Argentina.
Argentina.
What? Dude, be careful. You're gonna break your neck.
I do that all the time.
Dude, it's cracking. It's freaking me out.
It cracks all the time.
Look.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
De momento que tu
Okay.
va a comenzar.
I'm not as serious with me. Dude,
A lot much.
she has an accent when she speaks in English. What?
True.
Shakira.
Shakira?
Luego,
Not bad.
Well, if she still has one,
She has an accent.
like Gilbert. She has a.
Oh, Gilbert.
But it's like in between them. So it's like
It's not heavy, but it's kind of.
But you can hear it. Let's see if I remember her today.
Tanta legua.
You're